G'day everybody, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to do this comic book effect in Affinity Photo. This is where we're going to end up today, and this is the photo over here on this other tab that we're going to use. Okay, as usual, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is crop this photo. I'm going to use my crop tool. So I'm just going to click on my crop tool and just crop this photo from the top and crop it from the bottom as well, and I'm going to hit apply. So now we've got our photo set on our background layer over here. I'm going to Command J to duplicate that layer. I'm up here to our filters, sharpen and high pass. Now I've got the high pass set at 13.2 and I'm going to hit apply. On this high pass layer, I'm going to duplicate it with a Command J. And I'm going to change the blend mode of this layer here to color dodge. Let's highlight both of these high pass layers. I'm up here to layer and let's go merge selected. So we'll merge both of those together. Let's add an adjustment, and we're going to add a levels adjustment. So down here to our adjustments, click on adjustments and click on levels. The black level slider here, I'm going to take up to about 80%. And we will come back and adjust that a little bit more later. So let's click off our levels. Let's clip our levels to our background here. So let's just clip that. So it's just affecting that background. Okay, the original picture on the bottom here, let's highlight that one and Command J, and let's move that right on top. On this layer now, let's add a Gaussian blur from our live filters. Let's just take that up of a radius to 0.4 and click off that. Okay, on that layer there, let's change the blend mode to linear light, starting to get our comic effect. Okay, now let's add another adjustment and let's add our threshold. Right on top, let's bring our threshold down to about 25%. Is looking pretty good, and let's click off that. On our threshold, let's drop our opacity also down to about 25, and we've got a very good effect going here at the moment. So let's just do some readjustments. Let's go to our levels. Let's take our levels up to 95, and that's looking pretty good. And our threshold adjustment, we can play with that a little bit, and let's take that down to 15. That is looking pretty good. Okay, there we go, everybody. That is the comic book effect in Affinity Photo. Let's highlight all of our layers here and let's have a look. This is where we started and this is where we've ended up. So there you go, everybody, the comic book effect in Affinity Photo. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, I'm going to say to you, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.